So here's the deal, guys. I know you guys are, I've learned my lesson. No more makeup vids. Only videos coming are videos of me, my weight loss journey. My makeup vids don't get a lot of views, but the videos on my channel that have the most views, because like I've been on YouTube since 2011. It's 10, this year will make 10 years. And yeah, my engagement is low, probably because I'm not consistent. We're just gonna take the blame for that. It's okay. But in all honesty, the videos on my channel that get the most views are the ones dealing with exercise and weight loss. So going forward in 2021, there will not be any makeup videos. There will only be videos related to weight loss, what I'm eating to lose weight, exercise, and stuff like that. I just wanted to go ahead and give that disclaimer. So like I said, my videos about makeup don't get a lot of views. The videos that I have that get the most views are ones dealing with weight loss. I guess y'all really like seeing fat people lose weight, which is fine. I'm here for it, all the way here for it. But yeah, so that's what I'm going to do going forward. I just wanted to give you guys that update. And here is some clips of me starting my workout. Please stay tuned. Please watch. I'll do a video about vitamins and protein shakes and what I'm taking too, because I've also started taking vitamins and taking my medicine on a regular basis. I was really slacking in that area. But I'll show you guys all of that. As you guys know, if you don't know, hi, welcome if you're new. Join our crazy family. Our crazy and consistent. Working on that though, like that is my prayer, to be consistent for 2021. I'm not off to a good start, but that is needless to say. I have a hypoactive thyroid, so I do have to take levothyroxine Synthroid. For anybody who never looks at the actual name of the medicine, Synthroid. And I have to take 150 milligrams so far. That's what I'm on right now. That could change. I have a doctor's appointment coming up. That could change. I have to run labs, so we'll see. But yeah, so I'll do a video separate of like my Amazon haul. I'll show you guys what I buy on Amazon. Cause living in Hawaii, Amazon's like your best friend because it's like stupid expensive, like dumb expensive out here. I lived on the East Coast, so for something that was, did I live on the West? No, I'm West Coast now. I think, I don't know. Yeah, East Coast. So at Walmart, groceries that would have been $80 here, it's like almost $200. That's just to give you an idea. But anyways, I'm on my phone. It's messy. I'm getting my makeup area together. So my camera and stuff, my lights are set up, but my camera and stuff is not set up. So yeah, so I just wanted to jump in and tell you guys that, a quick little 4-some minutes before you jump into the video. So stay tuned, watch. This is me working out. I bought a treadmill. I guess I'll do a video about that too. Like I said, no makeup videos going forward. Just strictly exercising, because that's my biggest focus this year. Also, a breast reduction, all of that, all of those. So I'll take you guys with me for my breast consultation. The reduction part of it, we'll do all of that. But like I said, no makeup videos. I know for you guys that do watch my makeup videos, I'm sorry. They don't get a lot of views. My videos that get the most views are about weight loss. So y'all about to see this fat girl lose weight. Continue watching, guys. I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye. All right, so I went ahead and got my Ninja. This is what's I'll show you guys because my thing is a little too high up. I should have put it, ooh, it sticks to the counter. So I got my Ninja, and I'm not being smart, guys. not being that bright. My plug is not even over here. So I'm gonna gather everything I need and put it over here on my island so that I can go ahead and make the smoothie. What do you guys say about that? What do you think? I think that's a good thing. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, guys, and I cut on my, close this. I cut on my lights, but so I have my Ninja. I already said that. I have everything that I need. So I went and got this. I want to show you guys this. So this is the protein. Well, this is the brand of protein. I like Isopure. This is the banana one, bananas and cream. I hope it don't throw it off too much. I hope it doesn't throw it off too much. Let's see. I want a bag with a little bit more green in it. There we go. So it says to add the contents to the bag. Let me see. I'm not sure. My scissors are on one of these drawers. So let's go. That's what my daughter, that's what Missy said. She'd be like, let's go. All right. Cut that open. Let's smell it. I smell pineapples too. Let's go. Hubby's walking in, I hear him. And then our 1 cup of water. Hey, baby.
Hello.
And I'm gonna add my protein powder. You could talk. You want to say hi to everybody? Y'all gonna say hi to everybody in a minute. And you look like a grown up today.
Right, since I gotta cut the mustache. Hello, everyone. Listen, though, it moves with you.
Yeah, that's kind of cool, right?
Yes, fine.
This is 1 scoop of my protein powder. This, you're supposed to use 2 scoops. The amount of protein in 1 scoop is, let's see. Oh, 25 grams if you use 1 scoop, 50 grams if you use 2 scoops. So because this is not a big smoothie, I'm only going to use 1 scoop protein, and it doesn't require that much water. I'm going to put the lid. This is where it gets loud, guys. Let's get babe, did I close the front door? I did? Okay. Let's go. Let's cut it on. We are all done. Let me show you guys. There you go. And lean my head. So there you go. And if you don't like the consistency, you can add a little bit more water. I'm about to get a spoon and see if I like the consistency of it. Let's taste it with a spoon. It's not the best, but it's not the best, not because, you know, because it's a smoothie and it's healthy AF. I'm gonna go get a cup. Oh, that is super thick. That's so thick. That's super thick. It's a little bit thicker than what I want, so I'm gonna take half a cup of water. All right, that's better. I just blend it in. Let's see. There we go. That's better. It was so thick. I'm gonna see if my husband wants the rest of it, because that one pack actually made a lot. Let's get a straw. Let's go. spinach. Not bad, but it has no sugar. So what I would do next time is I would probably do it with yogurt. Maybe add a pack or two of raw sugar or Splenda or some liquid sugar, because she needs some sugar. Well, isn't that bad? So, first part of my first workout of the day done. I'll be back for the second workout tonight. Morning, guys. I'm whispering because I'm the only one up. I look a mess. Hair soaking wet, sweating. I just got done with my 4 a.m. workout on the Peloton app. My camera is looking horrible, but this is what time it is right now in Hawaii. If you're on the East Coast, it is 9:51. It's about to be 10 o'clock in the morning for you. If you're in the Central Coast, it's about to be 9 o'clock in the morning for you. If you on the West Coast, like me, I'm not sure. I think we're behind California too. But anyways, good morning. Whew, I feel good. About to drink some water. Just gonna lay in the freezer. Drink some water. I would show y'all the lower half of me, but this morning I decided to work out in just panties. It's like, I ain't going to nowhere. Why I gotta have on pants? So I wrap my thighs up. Just got my panties on. I'm on my period. So I think this is the one reason I didn't have bad cramps this time. And I kind of snuck up on me because I started working out. So, yep. Well, I'll be back to tell you guys how it's going, to give you guys a little update. After I take a shower and I get myself together. Ooh, my cats are fighting. But anyways, good morning. Great way to start the morning. It's Monday. Get to it. Get into it. All right, guys. Bye. Oh, it's dirty. That's fine. Hi, guys. Just got done with day 2. I didn't do 45 minutes today because we went to the zoo for about 2 hours and I've been walking around since then. So I only did 20 minutes. I did a 20-minute, like, intense, high incline power walk on the treadmill. And I just finished. I feel good. Day 9 of the year, but day 2 for me on my fitness journey. Let's get it. Got my cup of water, my hospital cup from my surgery. If you hear the TV in the background extra loud, sorry, that's husband watching TV. It's just the way the house is set up. He's eating. The food smells really good. He didn't want to wait on me. Oh, it's 6:15. So he don't want to wait on me, but that's okay. It's okay. So yeah, so we did it. We did it. Day 2. Consistency is key. As long as I keep doing it every day, I'm gonna be good. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next one.